So this video is for parents, teachers, caregivers of age 1 to 5 preschool who want to make their teaching preschool fun and to teach them with confidence. So here are some 3 tips you can use to teach them sounds or letters of alphabets. Tip 1: teach them with sounds of the sound. Let any sound you want to introduce to children, you must start it with the song of that sound. Children learn better, they retain information better when you teach them with songs. For example, I want to teach sound ah. I will go like this. Ah, ah, answer my arm, followed by the action. Ah, ah, answer my arm, ah, ah, answer my arm, make her sing me alarm. Ah, ah, I'll sing apple. You see that? So by the time I come to the class, I want to teach them, want them to remember that sound. By the time I do like this, they will pick up the sound for you. They already know what you are trying to teach them because you've introduced them to that sound using action and the song for them. Tip 2: teach them using your flashcards. Use flashcards to teach them sounds of a letter. Children don't just believe in what they hear, they learn through what they see and touch. You can ask them to pick the letter for you and identify the letters after you might have introduced it to them. But introducing the letters to them, you must teach them using your flashcard. Children, your sand tray. This is my tray and this is my sand. 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 You teach them. If you don't want to use sand, you can use your rice or anything powder. You can use your flour. Put it in a tray where children can write on it. For instance, I'm teaching sand art this week. I will teach using my sand tray and write for them to trace. Write on the sand. Remember, learning how to read does not start with paper and pen or pencil. It starts with their fingers. So you teach them using these 3 tips. It will help them to retain that information longer. And there you have it. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video if this is helpful to you. And don't forget to share it to that parent that you think will love this. Till the next video, I remain Gift, your personal coach to teaching in preschool and the author of Preschool Made Easy. See you in my next video. Bye bye.